We are on our way. We are on highway something or other, 95, and we're headed out towards Nelson. Yeah, Searchlight. We got like about 5 more miles to turn off. And it's going to be a great, great time. So it's a little windy today, so we're going to see if we can keep our lights. We're definitely going to be holding each other's lights today, I think. Maybe our own sandbags. That's right. Right along.
This is just unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. It's totally beautiful, and they've actually got some more stuff built.
See, we've never been up there.
You can't go up there.
Oh, you can't. That's why we've never been up there. All right, so we are here at Nelson. We've got the shots going. Check this out at the Chevron gas station. So we just shot Maddie, one of our senior models, and Brandon in there. And we've got Scott Johnson from England, and he's a Fuji Pro. He's out shooting some images for his portfolio today. So Naomi's out here in the desert with him, shooting some really cool stuff.
I guess I'm live on video, so I best not swear, but this is a great place. I'm from London, England, as you can tell by my accent. I should probably be selling fruit and veg on the market, but I'm a photographer. I've been speaking at WPPI and we're here at Nelson. This is absolutely fantastic. I want to thank these guys for having me out.
No, it's just proof that next year they're going to go like, oh yeah, I shot with that guy, John Fortson.
That's my groove. Natural light here is really.
It's crazy. It's so
good.
good.
Don't let anybody hear me say that.
Let's get to the barn. Fashion shoot, and then a ninja walks through.
Right. Awesome. Well, there you go.
Come on up here.
Hold on one second.
Mike, how are you doing? Good.
Got a few plays. Check that out. And see, now go where he was and steal that, get that. All right, so we're probably about an hour and a half into our shooting. We've got half of the group, or most of the group, up in that building right up there, and they're doing some incredible stuff, some amazing bridal stuff. But we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see our model Brandon, see what's going on with him inside this cool old, I don't know, I guess that's the stamp mill. This looks like it's just an old, I don't know, it's got a nice porch out here, but let's go check it out.
Hips the other way with the hips. That's great. And turning your face back to the telegraph pole. Awesome. Stay there, man. It's perfect. Right, hold in there. That's great.
You guys taking off?
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. Great.
We have some amazing photos of you guys now.
Thank you.
All right, we found this incredible cave. We're in this cave with everybody right now. We've got Lon, our ninja, getting ready. And up here, we've got Naomi perched in the middle of this incredible cave with all of this crazy lighting going on.
Again, turn your face up to the light for me.
Poor Lon just got upstaged. So that's Nelson. Everybody's a little quieter because we're a little bit more tired now. We're off to Searchlight. Gonna get a little Mickey D's.
It was like 5 hours of shooting in Nelson.
It was.
Of non-stop goodness.
So we found the secret cave today.
This is the Bat Cave.
The Bat Cave. Man, was it amazing. We got incredible light in there. Very difficult though. One that made you have to really think. But it had beautiful views up above it. I would highly recommend.
What a great bunch of models up too.
Our models today were fantastic. Naomi is going to be famous because you're going to see her image next year at WPPI on the Grand Champion Award. You guys are going to be able to see her. She climbed a hill today that was probably like 200 feet high, scaled a mountain for the shot. In high heels.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth it. Through Choya cactus. Hey, no one got hurt, so it was a good day.
No injuries.
No injuries at all. But it's how many minutes from here to Prim? 40? Okay. So we'll just get one good spot, and we'll be on our way. Oh, look at the scratches you got on now. You'll probably leave your coat on even. Yes, what a day. We just finished up shooting alongside the Joshua Tree Highway. which is what, 164?
Probably 164.
Out of Searchlight, and look at these Joshua trees. They're amazing.
It was actually really cool because we created, you know, we're always out in the epic picture, but I think we actually got some there. Just the combination of the lighting, the Joshua trees,
Yes.
clear desert air.
It's one of those times where you could have just kept shooting. The light is getting better and better and better, but
it was getting colder and colder.
yes. And we've had a full day of shooting, and we've already created epic, so it's time to head back to Viva Las Vegas and have some dinner.
Yep.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.